This is the 2009 Devinci Desperado 26-inch mountain bike frame. We will be installing a Shimano Deore Crankset. The crankset was a very good price. It comes with a 2x10 setup. The crank includes the bottom bracket. Lube up the threads on the bottom bracket. Grab your bottom bracket and insert it into the shell drive side. Remember, lefty is tighty. Grab your bottom bracket tool and tighten down the bottom bracket. Insert on drive side, righty tighty. Install crankset drive side first. Install non-drive side crank arm. Use the preload nut, tighten it down. Use the tool to hand tighten it. Equally, use your hex wrenches to tighten down the crank arm. Check for free play or movement and see how the bearings spin.